This video is all about the Rolex Daytona. We're going to discuss current market prices, the demand for each variant, and what we think the future is for the Rolex Daytona prices. Stay tuned until the end where we'll do an unboxing of these two very special Daytonas. They are indeed the cheapest in the UK at the moment, and you'll be very shocked at the prices. So first off, we'll start with the infamous steel ceramic bezel Daytona Panda. So at the moment we have a 2018 and a 2019 in stock. It's a black ceramic and they call it the Panda because you've got the black subdials on the white dial. In the peak of the market, it hit about 45,000, which is absolutely insane for a stainless steel watch. Oh, damn! So currently we have these priced at just over £25,000. In the peak of the market, people were paying 45,000, absolutely insane. But I think now they're down at a healthy price. I don't think there's going to be much movement in them now, just because the waiting lists are through the roof. I think the Rolex Daytona is going to be holding the prices quite well. But yeah, very popular model. So next up, we have the black dial ceramic bezel Daytona. So same again, full stainless steel model, exactly the same as the Panda, just a black dial. So these always sell for a bit less than the Panda. They always have done, even in the peak of the market. It's just that the black dial is less popular than the Panda and it's more readily available. Saying that though, the waiting list on this is probably still 10 years plus, but who knows. So we have this one priced at $22,950 at the moment. This is a brand new watch. During the peak of the market, they were over 30,000. So they've come right down. But from what we're seeing from our perspective, prices have leveled off. We're not seeing them go down anymore. Any new that come into the market now are always priced around the same price. We've not seen much movement. So continuing on with the steel Daytonas, you might have seen this in the previous video. So this is a pre-ceramic Daytona with the polished steel bezel. So this one we have here is the APHR dial 2014 and it received a Rolex service in 2022. So we have this priced at $21,795. This particular model is actually discontinued, so there's no retail price anymore. It's a highly collectible model. So this one's unworn. If you're not too familiar what the APHR dial means, we have done a separate YouTube video for that. It's only like 2 or 3 minutes long, so go give that a watch. It'll just educate you about the APHR dial and why it makes this watch more collectible. So the last of the steel Daytonas we'll show you today is a 116520 reference again, except this is a black dial, so it's got the polished steel bezel. So we have 2 of these in stock at the moment. One of them is priced at $17,650 and one of them is priced just over 18,000. So these have come down in price recently, I'd say. I think a lot of black dials have come to the market, especially over the past few weeks.
Hello. Hello, Jackie.
So you are seeing some now below £18,000, which is absolutely insane for this watch. I think it's absolutely incredible that you can now pick one of these up for just over £17,000. So we have 2 in stock at the moment. If you'd like to see the full details, please visit our website. We have full HD photographs of every single watch on there, but we'll move on to the next one. So this next one, it looks very similar to the one I just showed you, but this is actually full white gold. So it's got a full white gold bracelet, full white gold polished bezel. So it's a really heavy watch, probably weighs twice the weight of the last one, the stainless steel, and it has the diamond marker black dial. You don't see this one very often with the black diamond dial, but it's actually a really nice watch. It's a bit of an acquired taste. Personally, I don't buy diamonds on dials, but really, really nice watch. So this is a 2023 brand new. We actually have this price at $38,995, which is the cheapest in the country. So I'm fairly sure off the top of my head, retail price is probably around $34, $35 now, so it's not too much above list, but yeah, really nice watch. So here we have a bimetal Daytona, and this one is on the champagne dial with the yellow gold polished bezel. So from our perspective, this is probably one of the least popular models. This sells close to retail price. The retail on this is now $16,400, and this 2022 absolutely immaculate full set watch priced at $17,995. I think these have settled. I think if they're going to come down, it may be a few hundred quid, 500 quid tops. So great buy at the moment. Really nice watch. Like I said before, full details and photographs are on our website if you want any more information on this watch. So one of my personal favourites, this is the yellow gold Paul Newman Daytona, reference 116518LM. So this is on the Oyster Flex bracelet, absolutely cracking watch. So these have come down in today's market, but I wouldn't say drastically like some of the other higher end Daytonas. It's a 2022 UK watch, full box and papers. It's a really, really nice watch. They call it the Paul Newman due to the racing dial. It's quite different to other Daytonas. I think the dial is quite unique. So you've got a red outer ring, and you've also got the red chronograph hand as well. It's really smart. So personally, I don't think these will drop below 30k, not at all. I think once it gets discontinued, the prices will surge just because it was a really, really popular model. But yeah, cracking watch. So as promised, we have 2 very special Daytonas to unbox for you. Here we have our watch register certificate. Check it's not lost or stolen, as we do with every single watch that comes in. So first up, we have the very special Rolex Daytona John Mayer. So it's the full yellow gold watch with a green dial. Absolutely stunning. What a whirlwind of a year it's been for this model as well. So it was discontinued in March 2023. Prices after it was discontinued went absolutely crazy, up over £100,000. I think some people even paid 110, 120. We did sell some, but not for that much. But today we have this 2021 full UK set priced for $56,495, which is the cheapest in the country at the moment. So they are looked at as one of the most investable watches. We don't really sell watches for investments. We sell watches just because we love them and we want to sell them to people that want to wear them. But let us know your thoughts on what this is going to do over the next few years. Do you think it's going to rise? Do you think it's going to go further down in price? Or do you think it's going to stay stable? Personally, I think they're going to go and sit at about 70, 75k and that'll be it, just because it is such a highly sought after model, but who knows. So the next watch I'm going to show you is one that's just arrived this week. We've not had one in for a while actually. So the last watch I'm going to show you today is a very special full Everose Daytona. So you may see a few of them floating about with the diamond baguettes on the dial, but you don't see many with just the normal plain sundust dial. So we've just got this one in on Saturday, and we've actually got it priced at $40,995, which is unreal. So I think the retail price is just over 35, yeah, £35,100. We've got it priced at $40,995, which for a watch of this calibre is a lot of watch for the money at just under 41k. So it is in fact the cheapest in the country at the moment. I don't think there's a lot on the market. I see these prices just saying stable, to be honest. Rolex aren't delivering a lot of these watches, maybe a handful here or there per year. So I think the price is going to stay at that, and it'll just be interesting to see what happens with it over the next few years. But this style was actually discontinued this year, and as you may have seen this week, a lot of the new reference Daytonas have started coming out. So this is a previous gen. This is the 116505. And the new references have started coming out where they kind of have the outer ring around the bezel, and there are a handful of new dials that come out as well. But yeah, really nice watch. Full details are on the website now, and you can also give us a call if you are interested. So there's a brief summary of some of the Rolex Daytona models we have in stock at the moment and the current market prices. We'd love to know your thoughts. Please comment below what you think will happen with the future of the Rolex Daytona market. Thank you very much, and subscribe. At the moment, I'm not going to add a word at the front then. Prices, about the Rolex Daytona. We're going to just...
It's disgusting. Every time you seem to get to the word disgust.
I don't know what else to say about you. Little fella, put you back in there, nice and safe. Once this gets discontinued, I think... God, my voice just went... Really smart. Voice did it again then.
Yeah.
Really smart.
I'm a real boy.